As some of you may know, I like trains, and now it's time to show you just how much I like those trains. This is something that my dad, Tom, and I have been working on for many years. It's the train room. There it is. You come in and there's a bridge, you gotta duck under. I wanna show you, you have the bridge here. And this is the entire layout. It's a pretty big room. The tracks go all the way around the room. I'll show you this here. This is the helix, and you enter the helix here and it'll take you down all the way down to the lower level tracks down here. And then in reverse the same way. You go back up the helix and then back up to the higher level tracks here. On these tracks we have a good variety of locomotives that we run from time to time. Here's a few of them. But down here is all the electronics. This is what drives the trains. And each one of the trains has a unique identifier. This one is 1519, so I would use the last two digits, 19, and I would put them into this controller and I can drive that train individually. The trains are also loaded into a computer where I can drive them via the computer, but not only that, I can also use my iPhone or iPad and the Wi-Fi that we have inside here to drive them, which is pretty cool. So now that I've told you how we drive the trains, Dad's here now, we gotta get them running. What's going on with it?
I don't know. It's getting power.
Yeah. Yeah, no, because you can hear the sounds. I don't know. Huh.
I don't want to burn up the engine.
You got it working. So as you can see, we still got a little bit of work to do, but we're getting to it. How long has this process been, Dad?
Since I was a kid.
Yeah, since you were a kid. We actually found some old pictures of you with trains when you were a kid.
Well, I don't want to have you with the train right now.
You've got one with me with a train?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, look at that.
That's
Let's
you.
see. The train that I'm holding in that picture
This is the B&O. Right there.
Yeah, it's that one. Yep, there it is. Wow.
Well, that's all, folks. March lights working.
Yeah.
They're flashing.
Blow the horn.
That's all, folks.
You gotta hit the camera.
Oh, I gotta hit the camera.
Yes, don't do it again.
Okay.
Take two.